Hey everyone! I'm super excited to bring you an in-depth tutorial on automating Tinder with Python. If you've ever wanted to learn how to master Tinder using programming in Python, now's your chance. Today, I'm going to give you an inside look at the entire process, from installation and setup, to automating your profile, to everything in between. We'll step through it all step by step, and if you follow along, by the end of this video, you'll be able to make Tinder into a powerful tool for whatever end you seek. I'll be bringing you the best tips, tricks, and strategies for solving any issue that you might have with the app. So make sure to stay tuned for those. Also, I'll be addressing all the potential blockers you might face while using this tool, like security, privacy, and more. So get ready, because it's going to be an incredible journey. The great thing about learning how to automate Tinder with Python is that it provides a great opportunity to grow both as a programmer and as a user of the app, as well as having a ton of fun in the process. So let's get started and let's master Tinder with programming in Python.